4 ways to take care of your hair, how to make thin to thick hairs. Hair growth tips, published by healthdsnoopost.blogspot.com, on October 28, 2022.
Hair loss or hair thinning is a growing concern both for men as well as women. Every day you will lose certain amount of hair, but that is quite common. There is no reason to feel concerned about few hair falling, but when you start seeing many strands or some strands on your pillow cover or even bunch of hair on your finger, when you try to care for your strands, then it definitely causes distress and worry. There could be many causes of hair loss, which include dietary choices, nutrient deficiency, medications, underlying medical conditions, stress, pollution and genetics. Another reason for hair falling in men could be putting on cap, hat, helmet for a very long time. Today I am going to share a holistic approach that will definitely stop your hair fall problem and would promote new hair growth. 1. Homemade packs to control hair fall. Homemade packs are one of the most effective ways to improve texture. It strengthens the follicles and attains gorgeous thick hair. Because the ingredients are natural and chemical free, they help to prevent hair loss and increase hair volume. The first hair pack could be avocado and banana pack that will moisturize and nourish frizzy hair. Avocados are high in vitamin E, whereas bananas are loaded with potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates and vitamins. All of it helps to prevent hair. Take 1 medium-sized ripe avocado and 1 small ripe banana, mash them nicely using a spoon or a fork. Next add 1 tablespoonful of olive oil to this paste. Mix this paste nicely, and now massage your paste on the head in a circular motion, covering the root and tip. After 30 to 40 minutes rinse your hair with lukewarm water and use mild shampoo. Another amazing hair pack, that is amla, shikakai and coconut oil pack. This pack will help in preventing hair fall and getting thick hair. Amla and shikakai are widely used in Indian home remedies, and in Ayurveda amla is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and flavonoids. This really helps to promote hair growth. Shikakai helps to strengthen hair roots and coconut oil nourishes each hair follicle, which would prevent breakage in a pan. Take 1 tablespoonful of amla powder, and 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder. Now add 2 tablespoonful of coconut oil and heat them on medium flame. Once boiled, strain and transfer the oil in a bowl, and let it come to lukewarm temperature. Massage this oil into your scalp and wash your hair after an hour or next morning, with cold or lukewarm water with mild shampoo. 2. Best oil for strong hair. A warm hair oil massage is very common tradition. This tradition is followed in our generation from centuries. Bringraj oil is one of the best oil to prevent hair fall. It improves blood flow to the roots by increasing the vasodilation process and stimulate hair growth by activating hair follicles. The herbs also contain several minerals and vitamins that aid to prevent split ends, hair loss, and breakages. Stress is one of the most common reason for hair loss. Bringraj oil has a relaxing effect that helps to de-stress you. Before you massage the oil onto the scalp, first lukewarm it, and this will help in deep penetration into the scalp. Gently massage this warm oil for 15 minutes, in a circular motion, and leave it in the hair for 30 minutes or overnight. Later wash it off with a mild shampoo. 3. Hair fall reduction concoction. The food we eat has an impact on the entire system, including organ function, blood flow, nervous system, metabolic rate and so on. As a result, it will definitely have an impact on hair follicle. To see a visible hair fall reduction result, try this nutritious concoction and get a thick hair. Now let's understand how to make this concoction. Take 1 medium-sized beetroot boiled and chopped into pieces, 1 small carrot washed and chopped, 2 apples peeled and chopped, 1 small cucumber peeled and chopped, and 1 small piece of ginger. Blend all these ingredients to form a thick juice. Drink it twice a week. This juice will supply you with all the essential nutrients which will help improving the health of your hair. If you continue to eat a lot of unhealthy food, for your hair will lack sufficient nutrients and will become dull and prone to breaking, split ends, rough texture and hair loss. These are all symptoms that requires internal remedy. Your diet has to be rich in protein, iron, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, biotin, vitamin A, vitamin E. Each of these nutrients are essential for hair growth, nourishing hair cell and enhancing the quality of your hair. So include kiwi, oranges, avocados, spinach, or other leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds, whole grain, carrot, flaxseed, and quinoa in your regular diet. Now understand asanas for hair growth. Yoga asanas are excellent technique to promote hair growth. Many students who are regularly practicing asanas have come to me to tell how their hair also are going so well. They have noticed that the quality of their hair also has improved. Asanas, especially forward bending and inversion asanas, enhance the blood circulation in head region. It nourishes and strengthens the follicles of the hair. The roots become stronger and the scalp becomes healthier. all of which prevents hair fall and promotes new hair growth. If you want to see results, then practice these asanas. Asanas are Hastapadasana, Yoga Mudra, Paschimottanasana, Viparitkarni, and Sarvangasana. Regular practice of these asana can help to prevent premature graying of hair. So to have all these benefits, person has to practices these asanas regularly. So, these are the few best tips to take complete care of your hair and to increase a good volume and bounce back in your hair. Learn to manage stress very well. That is the main cause of all the problems and even the problem of hair fall, thinning of hair, and so on. So try and learn how to work without stress. Any work you could do with stress or without stress, you have to learn to work without stress, and you will be able to manage your life very well. You will be able to manage all the problems very well. So, apart from all these suggestions which we have given you, how to live life stress-free, is something which you have to work upon. Take care, try and learn to live positively and happily. Don't worry if your hair fall, new will come. Usually you have noticed when the mature growth is there as premature graying is there, then by attempting to all these things those gray hair will fall off and the new fresh hair will come, would be again nice black, healthy hair. So you will notice all this thing, but just take care of yourself, take charge and look after yourself.